technology for professional photographers. The presence of a flagship camera in the form of a DSLR or mirrorless body will certainly continue to be awaited for its development, but for a more specific segment, Leica has its own antithesis. Recently released an expensive camera, namely the Leica M11. Shown in familiar body design, Leica cameras are known to be about to produce distinctive bodies, as well as their bodies that have a retro feel with a mixture of premium material. The Leica M11 itself is present as a successor to the M10 series that has been released since 2017. There are a number of improvements brought, ranging from sensors, connectivity, to camera weight that is important for street photographers. For the Leica M11 itself, consumers are given two different color options, a combination of silver or completely black. Especially for the first color option, it weighs 100 grams heavier than the second option, which is 640 grams. And to as if this lighter weight, this camera is equipped with a shock-resistant aluminum material on the top. The underbody has also been redesigned by Leica, wherein this LED mirrorless camera, consumers can replace the battery more easily. Not only that, there is also a USB-C port that will make it very easy for photographers to transfer files from the camera to a smartphone. If the M2 series has a 24MP resolution, now the Leica M11 sensor has a 60MP full frame resolution, comes with a triple resolution option. That is, yours can choose a resolution between 60 or 36 or 18MP. Where the smaller the resolution, pixel binding technology will be used to combine several individual pixels into spur pixels so that the photos are better, of course. Can take photos in DNG, RAW, and JPG format.